test. Seedance 2.0 is finally here, and it's creating some really amazing generations. But it's a catch because Seedance 2.0 is available pretty much everywhere besides America. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the top 3 ways to get Seedance if you're in the US, but also if you're anywhere else in the world as well. Starting off with, well, probably the most official source is, well, CapCut. CapCut now has Seedance 2.0 included into it, but it's not available inside of the USA. So if you want to access Seedance 2.0, what you would need to do is get a VPN, which is a virtual private network, and set the VPN to Thailand, Africa, or one of the other countries that they have, China or someone like that. That'll also be good. And I can put in a pinned comment down below or in the description of a list of the countries that are available and that you should set your VPN to, and then you can go into CapCut. But that's not the only step that you would need. You also need to make a brand new account, because if you log in with an existing CapCut account, that CapCut account is already registered to an account in the US. But if you're already in Africa, Thailand, Brazil, then you don't have to really worry about that, because your account is already tied to that already approved country. After you make that brand new account that you've made on the virtual private network that is tied to a Thailand or Africa, then you can sign up to CapCut with this new account, and then you have to purchase some credits to operate Seedance 2.0. As you see here, you see me logging into CapCut and doing it. The second one, which is another official source because they are both owned by ByteDance, is Daima, I believe that's how you pronounce it, which is the one-stop shop for ByteDance's AI generators, as well as they have Veo and other type of video generators here. Here, you can go ahead and do a similar thing where you have to access this through a VPN if you're in the States. Go make a new account, and then with that new account, sign in to CapCut or to Daima, and then pay for some credits. And that's the long way, but this third method, I think by far is the easiest. The third way is there are those one-stop shop platforms like a Higgsfield, which is probably the most popular. Higgsfield doesn't have Seedance 2.0, at least in the time of this recording. There are other, I think, Chinese one-stop shop video platforms that have Seedance 2.0, Veo 3, Kling 3.0, all in one platform. And the Chinese models seem like they've got it first, and they're not restricting it to anybody. They're giving it out to whoever has access to their platform, and it's no VPN required. So the one I use was Vidu, and I was able to sign in, and I made their pro tier, which is like $40, and I was able to sign in and make this video here. Kind of scary, right? But that one was pretty good. I think there are other ones out there. I know there's one called ChatCut that has early access, and there's a few more niche ones out there that have early access to Seedance 2.0. But comment down below what platform that you're using to make these AI generations. But I'm gonna leave you with some more that I've made, as well as there are some ones from the community, even some anime ones. Tell me what you think. With that being said, you should like and subscribe to get more AI content. And if you want to keep up with the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, enjoy the video.
Sid, who do you want to be?
I'm not sure.
The star of the show? The voice of a generation? The billionaire? Or someone who sets her own trends?
To predictable.
Then a healer, mending what's broken.
I want something off the map.
Well, then let's leave the table.
It's beautiful. Am I all alone out here?
Every traveler needs a
At
guide.
your service. Relax. You look starstruck?
Why do you sound like a chipmunk?
Right. Human vibes coming up. Better? Let's get inside.
Whoa, what is this?
No idea. Feels wrong not to touch it, though.
And curiosity has a price.
Oh my god.
Where am I?
What do you see?